If it's
thunder.
If it's so, if you got on Sasquatch Bridge,
Yeah,
looking
looking towards Wetherby and that. I'm just going off there now. Other side of Wetherby.
Right, are we heading that way?
Yeah, where should we go? Yeah, head that way. So we can go towards Sasquatch or even Towton Moor. Is there out at the top of? It's shit though, isn't it? A bit flat and a bit boring.
I reckon we head to Sasquatch Bridge.
Yeah,
where is it?
Yeah, past the house where we were the other day.
On that road?
It's just down that road, isn't it? A bit further down, I think. Yeah, it is, yeah.
Alright.
See you in a bit. We're just on the edge of this massive thunderstorm. It's been raging for about 2 hours, but we've only just managed to get out, or at least I have, because, well, just have. But look how black it is back there. And look how, well, this is how much we're on the edge of it. You can see there. It's just about going over. That's a cool cloud up there. Anyway, as usual, we've not really planned for anything. So we're just driven out. And we've come to Sasquatch Bridge. It's obviously not really called Sasquatch Bridge.
Anyway,
Sasquatch Bridge.
You get Sasquatch there?
Yeah. Well, no, I don't imagine you do. I can't even remember why we called it Sasquatch Bridge.
Who called it Sasquatch?
We did.
Put your teeth in. Who did?
We did.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Why did we?
Because I'd been watching a lot of Finding Bigfoot at the time, last time we came here, about 5 years ago or something. And a guy pulled up at the other side of the motorway, so we decided to do Sasquatch calls to freak him out.
Alright.
That's why.
Anyway.
So yeah, we're going. Oh, is that new? Yeah.
And that unit over there?
I don't know, I didn't see it. I saw a thingy. So there were a mini parked in derelict house that we were at. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Oh, it's not. Where's all lightning gone? It was proper thunder and lightning. I think we've missed it. I think we've missed it.
Me too.
Oh well.
Yeah,
Neil.
Neil?
Neil.
Yeah. Oh, it's all
Oh,
right.
did you see me wood mice?
Yeah.
Fucking wood mice living in my wall already. Well chuffed.
You want to
Bet my neighbours out. Oh, they won't be if they don't find out. Eh?
You not walk up?
Eh?
I can't remember this.
I can't remember
Oh.
being up a bridge. Eh?
So why is it going that way?
I don't know.
Where's the bridge?
I don't know. Flood.
Oh,
Yeah. Not many people going north, is there? Or going south.
As busy as that side and there,
Oh, it just keeps going round. I were hoping there might be a view down there. Across the fields and that. With motorway going across. But they're in. What should we do? Back up to the bridge? It's raining.
Not feeling it.
I'm not. What should we do? Those clouds there are a bit mental. Look at that. Have you got any down south?
Between Wetherby and first. Looks like it's fizzling out.
we hit a flood? Have we hit a flood? If you dare, I dare. Where are we? You see out? Yeah, if you think. Do you think there's anywhere to turn round at end? Well, I don't want to reverse up. These fog lights on now. Come on. A bit bouncy, isn't it?
If you could get
A bit higher.
if you could get to a height on the alone straight with the lap field instead of a pile on it, it looked quite good.
Got a drone. What to do? Should we just take a picture or should we just go on?